In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a Google location on either WhatsApp or on a message or messenger. So open your phone like that, and then swipe down so that you can turn on your internet connection. So I'll choose Wi-Fi. You can also choose data connection so that you can use your mobile data. And also you need to turn on the location. So tap on the location icon and go to maps, tap on maps, and up above here search the location that you want to send. For example, I'll type, let me see, so type the landmark that you want to locate. So this is going to load that place that you have actually searched. But let's say that that's just a landmark, but the exact location is somewhere else. So I'll zoom into the location that I want to send. For example, I want to send the location of this homestead here. So I'll zoom in and then tap on long press. So it's going to load the location of that, or the location of that particular place, and you can see the coordinates in that box here. So down here you can see you can choose to click on the direction so that you can get direction. But what we are interested in is to share this location. So I'll click on share, and you can choose the method in which you want to share. So there are different methods. We have WhatsApp, we have messages, you can send via Facebook. So there's so many, also via Bluetooth. So, but this time round, I'm just going to share via, let's say, WhatsApp. But also you can choose to send through messages. So it's going to load the WhatsApp application, and now you're going to choose the person that you want to send that location to. So I'll select this person maybe here. I'll click that and click the green icon to send. So as simple as that. So this person will open our WhatsApp, and he'll just click on that link, and it will actually load the Google Map application. So you can see it's loading. It's actually opened that exact location that we sent. Now you can choose now to click on direction. For example, if he wants to go to that particular location, it's going to load that particular location. I think that's all for this tutorial. And if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next tutorial.